What's up, everybody? It's your girl Jay Don't Play here. We out here in downtown Joliet, Illinois. We do have the rusty magnets with us. Got Jen, Clay, my best friend Shannon down there, my magnet sister's down there, magnet fishing with us today. Beautiful warm day. Let's see what we find. All right. See what happens today. Jen and Clay. Oh, something else for the wind. Ooh, these Kratos magnets really work, y'all. Yeah, I'm not sure what this part is. Some type of pipe, obviously, but put that down there in our little pile. I must say it's a little brisk air wind today. Definitely hitting the lungs. Well, I just filled this little part of a knife. Doubt it was really a weapon, but a little something. Jen says she's got some.
Show my magnet.
What happened to it? You lost it? Aww.
I was getting it when I was bobbing it up and down, and then he's like, yank.
You can't yank them, unfortunately. Oh, we definitely got something. I feel it. Trying to not lose it. And I don't know what that is. Anybody know? Look at this barge, y'all. You don't see this thing? Freaking huge. I got the last guy to honk at me. Maybe I'll get this guy to honk too. Huge barge. Oh, what Clay get? What is that? Some type of cable. It is cable? Huh.
Oh, bird cable.
How many feet you think that is? About 10, 15?
10 feet, yeah.
Yeah, about 10 feet?
Yeah.
Good job. Clean out these waterways. Yeah. Next to the barge. Can I get a honk? Give me some. Give me some. I'm waving. Give me one little honk, please. I'll be a good girl for the rest of the year. The Gwyneth Ann. Interesting. Give me some. This thing is definitely long. What is that?
And that pipe, that's what I was ripping, was that strap.
Interesting. Huh. Watch out, you're stuck right here. John, you got a nice thick rope. All right. Definitely something out here a little heavy. Ooh. Oh yeah. A couple little things out here. Some type of big old pipe. A pipe! And something else. Something. Oh, this looks like the reflector from like a bike pedal. It's a little dirty, but I think that's what it is. One of the, from the side of the bike pedal, I'm thinking. Just my guess. I don't know. This pipe is definitely solid. I don't know. What Jen get? Having a good day, guys. Look at this. What was that, Jen?
Metal.
Huh. Definitely finding some metal today. Like I said, is the point, right, guys? I think I got something already again. Not that I'm complaining. Definitely some good weight, I'm telling you. Oh, I think I lost it. What's that? A what? No way. Trunk for a skateboard. Okay. Makes sense the way this little area is set up. Somebody could easily lose a skateboard in here. Okay, I think I lost whatever that heavy item was. Whatever it was. It's not far and it has some weight to it. A little rod. Is that like a welding rod? Maybe? Some little nothings. Space rocks. It's kind of that area I was just in. Whatever it is, I think I'm getting it right there. space racks and space racks. Definitely, ooh, getting something. I don't know what it is, but there's no way I'm just getting stuck in rocks. There goes the curious civilian. He said, what do you use to magnet fish? How do you do that? A magnet. A magnet. You throw the magnet, what? That's how you get you some metal. Always better than other people talk to people. So I would just say something else ridiculous. It's definitely something. I keep hitting the same thing. I think I lost it. Whatever it is, it kind of feels ripply like a chain. Like I'm losing it, like it's hooked to something or something. I don't know. Oh, I caught the chain, guys. Oh, told you these cradle magnets ain't no fun. Nothing on that one. Guess what I'm getting ready to invest in here pretty soon, guys? A longer rope. I think I'm only working with a 60 footer right now. Probably just go to 100, make it easy. Nope, nothing on that one. Joliet does have a lot of history of like industrial slash mills, different type of factories and stuff like that. So thought it'd be good to check it out. See, I keep hitting something right in the same spot. Oh, lost control for a second. King of beers. What is that, Budweiser? Got a Budweiser cap. One little Budweiser cap. Looks pretty fresh, actually. All right, I think that's it for me in this spot. I'm gonna move a little bit down that patch. Oh. What's Clay guy? Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out, guys. Is it heavy?
It's shaky. Can you see it?
I don't see anything yet.
I think it's heavy. You don't have to record right now.
He's like, you know. Holy cow, that's a long one. That's... Jeez. Holy crikeys. Wow. Look at that, guys. Looks pretty heavy. You guys want a hand?
Watch yourself.
Let's flip it. Yep. Wow. That looks almost square-like.
It is.
So what do you think this was for?
I don't know. It's kind of like diamond.
Oh my gosh, that was really heavy.
It looks like it was welded here in the center.
Huh.
Maybe not.
You want to grab that hat? Put it over on the grass.
The hell was that for?
Maybe an old railing.
Wow, look at that, you guys. Big pipe.